Welcome to Save a Buck. Today's video we're in the kitchen and we're going to be mixing up some ant bait out of boric acid and strawberry jelly, and we'll be using a Ziploc baggie to place the bait. This stuff's been used since about, I think, 1948 in the US as an insecticide, and it works very well. I've been using this for years, and I usually only have to do this about twice a year for ants. I get pavement ants a lot because our floors are concrete. So we use just regular strawberry jelly, any kind of jelly will work, and then boric acid. We get it from Rite Aid. I think it's about $2.98 for 4 ounces or something like that, and that 4 ounces will last you about 2 or 3 years probably before you run out. So what we want to do first is I cut up a Ziploc baggie, and what we'll use this for is our bait. It's to so we can lay it flat on the floor, and works very well for the ants to get on. Okay, so we got 2 of these cut. We are going to add a half a teaspoon of boric acid. That's a little more than we want. Okay, half a teaspoon of boric acid. This stuff's safe, but you still want to keep it away from your pets and children. Then we want to add a whole teaspoon of jelly. We can get it out. It's pretty close. Put it in there, and then you want to mix it until it's uniform in color. It'll turn like a white color. So it's going to be like a white jelly. Mix it up the best you can. And the ants really crave the jelly. The jelly's what drives them to it. They'll eat this and then take it all back home with them, and it'll kill the others as well. This stuff works really, really well. Like I said, I've been doing this for many years. And I just put a little bit on each thing here, and we'll put these where we've been seeing the ants, and that's all there is to it. Now we're going to take these and go place them where we've seen the ants at. And this stuff will usually last about 3-4 days, but by that time usually your ants has already found it, and it's already doing its trick. And hopefully you won't see no ants for about 6 more months. So I've placed the ant bait right here and I usually take a little drop and put it on the edge of the paper like that. And that's all it takes to get the ants started, and they'll find it. Hey guys, thanks for watching this video. We're going to go put our last one out, and please like and subscribe, and we'll try to make more and better videos to come. Thanks for watching.